Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your bank account, and realizing that every single rupee you earned in your lifetime has vanished. Not because you were hacked, but because someone convinced you that you were under arrest. This is nothing but digital arrest. Sounds scary, right? This crime does not officially exist in Indian law, yet it is looting crores from Indians every month. Welcome to the world of digital arrest scams. Now, if we can see, then in few years recently the digital arrest scams have been rising. And to curb this problem, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, has launched an AI chatbot patch, an AI chatbot, which is known as Abhay. And we are going to talk about the Abhay portal, how it helps individual, how it helps citizen from getting trapped into this digital arrest scams. If we talk about it in detail, तो इसको समझने से पहले we need to understand what is digital arrest, and we also need to go through 1 to 2 cases relating to the digital arrest. Now, see, this is CBI launches AI chatbot which is Abhay to fight the digital arrest scams. So, here. A case was reported in Bangalore. अगर मैं इस केस की डिस्कशन करूँ, इस केस की बात करूँ, तो there was a 74-year-old lady. Name was Lakshmi Ramamurthy. One fine morning, she receives a call and she was told that the alleged individuals are the CBI officials, ED officials, and they said कि you have been arrested digitally because your financial transaction, your Aadhaar and your bank account shows that some illegal transactions have been made. और इसके लिए आपको डिजिटली जो है गवर्नमेंट की एजेंसीज वो अरेस्ट कर रही है. आप पे जो है वो केस चलेगी और आप अपने फ़ोन को डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको वीडियो कॉल पे रहना पड़ेगा, आपको कट ऑफ होना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. यू विल बी नॉट टेलिंग दिस थिंग टू एनीबडी until and unless the case is resolved. And this way that lady was trapped, and this case happened on 10th Feb 2026 and it continued for 2 months. 24th April 2026, and between 10th Feb and 24th April, approximately 24 crore rupees was transferred from this lady's bank account to 26 different bank accounts. 26 डिफरेंट बैंक अकाउंट्स में लगभग 24 करोड़ रुपए का ट्रांजैक्शन होता है. एंड दिस क्रिएट्स अ सस्पिशन इन द बैंक एजेंसीज. जैसे जो कि बैंक्स थे उनके अंदर एक सस्पिशन आया कि आखिर इतना हेफ्टी अमाउंट ट्रांसफ़र क्यों हो रहा है इस लेडी के अकाउंट से कहीं और. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दे रिपोर्टेड दिस इंसिडेंट to the government officials, to the cyber crime agencies, and then after this scam got revealed that this lady was scammed. उसका कोई भी अरेस्ट नहीं था, उसकी आधार और जो बैंक है वो किसी तरीके से इलीगल ट्रांजैक्शन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी, लेकिन तब तक नुकसान हो चुका था. उनको 24 करोड़ रुपए उन्होंने ट्रांसफ़र कर दिए थे 26 डिफरेंट बैंक अकाउंट में. एंड देन शी रियलाइज कि शी हैज़ बीन ट्रैप्ड, एंड दिस केस केम अप इनटू हाईलाइट इन द मंथ ऑफ मे में ये केस रिपोर्ट हुआ. इस तरह की बहुत सारी केसेस है. इवन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द मंथ ऑफ अबाउट मे मंथ, देन मे में इन नोएडा 2 crore cyber fraud or this fraud digital arrest scam related thing issue came up, wherein a woman transferred 2 crore rupees to somebody who allegedly called himself as a CBI officer. Similarly, in Coimbatore, an elderly woman was looted with 18 lakh rupees because of this digital arrest scam. So this arrest scam has become very, very common, and to curb this problem, CBI finally launched an AI chatbot जिसकी मदद से कि you can easily identify कि whether you are being scammed or whether it is actually true. I mean, to checking the authenticity of the report, you can go to the AI chatbot, you can register your number, your name, and also the related documents, and they will check it, and through AI they will tell you that whether this is authentic or not. So moving forward, what is digital arrest? तो अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो बेसिकली डिजिटल अरेस्ट इज अ साइबर फ्रॉड टेक्निक in which the scammer impersonate officials from agencies such as CBI, ED or telecom authorities and falsely claim that the victim is involved in serious crime, or victim is told that they are under investigation, okay, and they must remain available on call, on telephone or video call for few days, and during this period they are isolated from their family members, from their friends, and it creates a fear of arrest and legal action, and eventually convince them to transfer money for supposed verification, investigation or protection of arrest. One thing make in mind very, very clear, that this case highlights that digital arrest is not legitimate legal procedure in India. It is not legitimate. It means no law enforcement agency or government or department can place a person under arrest through a phone call. कभी भी कोई भी गवर्नमेंट या डिपार्टमेंट आपको फ़ोन कॉल के थ्रू जो है वो नहीं इम्प्रिजन कर सकती है या अरेस्ट में नहीं रख सकती है, नहीं वो डिमांड कर सकती है ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ मनी. सो दिस नीड पैच. सो दिस थिंग नीड्स टू बी वेरी, वेरी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. अब CBI ने जो है वो क्या लॉन्च किया? अभय पोर्टल. क्योंकि डिजिटल अरेस्ट के केसेस, फ्रॉड्यूलेंट स्कैम्स बढ़ते जा रहे थे. अभय का फुल फॉर्म है AI बेस्ड हेल्प बॉट फॉर ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑफ CBI notices. So it is basically AI powered notice verification system. क्योंकि जब कॉल आती है तो आपको बोलते हैं कि आपके खिलाफ नोटिस इशू हुआ है, तो आप उस नोटिस को वेरीफाई कर सकते हो कि whether this is a fraud or whether this is authentic notice, launched by the Central Bureau of Investigation to help citizen to identify the fake notices. ठीक है, तो AI का जो ये अभय है, अभय जो है, अभय प्लेटफॉर्म, अभय पोर्टल, ये फेक नोटिसेस को ऑथेंटिकेट करने के लिए, टू ऑथेंटिकेट और टू आइडेंटिफाई द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द फेक नोटिसेस, इसको लॉन्च किया गया है. इसका जो मेन वर्क है, जो एप्लीकेशन है, वो यही है, एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द डिजिटल अरेस्ट स्कैम. और इसको इंट्रोड्यूस क्यों कराया गया? एज आई टोल्ड यू, बिकॉज ऑफ द राइजिंग केसेस ऑफ डिजिटल फ्रॉड एंड डिजिटल स्कैम अक्रॉस the country. Okay, now how अभय works? अभय कैसे वर्क करता है? आप CBI की वेबसाइट पे जाओ. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, देन यू विल क्लिक द अभय पोर्टल लिंक. वंस यू क्लिक द अभय पोर्टल लिंक, यू विल कंप्लीट OTP वेरिफिकेशन यूजिंग योर मोबाइल फोन. आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू अपलोड द रिसीव्ड नोटिस और समन, जो भी आपको भेजा गया है उसको आप अपलोड करो, एंड देन द AI सिस्टम विल चेक द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, एंड finally it will inform you कि whether this particular notice that you have received is genuine or it is potentially fraudulent. So very, very simple step to identify the authentication of the notice which has been issued to an individual. Key features क्या है? This AI chatbot is open 24/7. So available 24/7. AI powered authentication है और real time notice verification इसमें हो जाती है, and it is very citizen friendly and easy. Okay, and it helps to prevent cyber fraud and impersonation scams. So now here is a UPSC prelims related bits question for you. Try to attempt it. So with reference to the Abhay portal, consider the following statement. First, Abhay portal is a AI powered portal launched by CBI. Second, it enables citizen to verify the authenticity of the notices purportedly issued by the CBI. And third, it has been launched to facilitate online filing of FIR related to cyber crime? Please answer it in the comment section कि कौन सी statement सही है. Is it 1 or 2? Is it 1 or 3? Is it 2 and 3 or is it 1, 2 and 3? Kindly post your answer in the comment section. I hope so कि आप इसका जवाब दे दोगे. And if you have any doubt related to this, you may post that also in the comment section, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye, stay safe.